Alright, we're out here at a new project. This is actually my grandpa and great-grandpa's farm. It's where my mom was raised. She grew up on this farm, and my uncles. They recently, eventually my grandpa ended up selling the farm. He had a pretty good-sized dairy farm here, and they farmed row crops and other things too. It was a pretty good-sized family farm. Well, he ended up selling it, and here we are, I guess, almost 20 years later from when he sold it. My aunt and my uncle bought it back, and we're starting to get it all brought back to life, hopefully. First thing we're starting on is this barn here. The roof's kind of collapsed on it. This is actually this section here was where they milked the cattle, and then the bulk tank for the milk was in that section there. We're actually hoping to bring this one back. This side's somewhat decent as far as the structure goes, but the other side's gonna need a lot of work. I'll walk around here and show you. We're just now starting to try to get all the bulk of the mess cleaned up on this area. This is the barn. This is what we're hoping to redo. I think there's going to be a new wall added here, and then we've actually got trusses, and we're going to re-truss this, so there'll be a new wall here and a new wall over here, right along here, and then it's going to get new trusses and built back up. Here's a view from the back side of the building. As you can tell, it's the weather and everything is just taking it down. But the plan is we're going to try to get all this stuff off of here that's all fallen down and try to get it all cleaned up and start building it back. Haven't been here since I was a little kid, hardly. Really cool to have it back in the family. Alright, I should probably get to work. Old silos and old feeding trough here. Silage fed down out of the silos and it's carried across this tray here so the cattle could eat out of it.
Morning guys, we're out to the Williams homestead today. Show you kind of what we got done yesterday. We tore down another back section of the barn. We've pulled a small backhoe out. There's an old car here, some truck beds. You can kind of see we're back there where the skid loader and the excavator is that's the section we tore off last night. We're going to try to rebuild this area here, reuse the lower section of block, put trusses on it. Got a lot of cleanup to do. I'll try to save a lot of this wood for the venue, but we got some scrap piles there and got a dumpster pile here. About all this is concrete back here. It's where the old barn of the farm was. Slow process, but we'll get it. Got a house trailer to get rid of. Back in here's kind of where the cows used to come in and out of the parlor. Go inside the old milk area. This is where they milk the cows. It looks like, you can see the pit there. That goes into the milk house where they actually had the tank. Got a lot of clean out to do here. A lot of history here for the family. Probably an old shovel Marshall used to use. Get some more stuff as time goes here. But we're making some progress. We got a lot to do, but we'll get it. I'm going to get busy here a little bit and talk to you here in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back here. I've did some here today. I'm trying to get it straightened up, but got a metal pile over there. I'm on the excavator now. I got a load of metal here. An old couch right there. I'm getting ready to put in the dumpster pile, which the dumpster should be coming tomorrow. I've got sorted a bunch of the old wood, all the longer stuff there. And we got a large pile here that we're going to start sifting through and try to save some for the family. Back here you got clean behind the barn. Starting to work my way around the back of the barn here.